How to withdraw application on Accenture. So here I'm going to show you 3 ways of how you can withdraw. First, we can do it via the Accenture Careers portal. So we have to log in to our Accenture account, then go to Accenture Careers, where we have initially submitted our application. We have to navigate to My Applications and look for a section where all of our applications are listed. We have to select the relevant application and click on Withdraw Application. You should see an option to withdraw the application and just confirm the withdrawal. Another way of how we can withdraw our application on this portal here, Accenture, is by contacting the recruitment team. We can email the recruiter. So if you have been in contact with the recruiter, we can send them a professional email stating our intent to withdraw from the hiring process, or we can use the contact form on the Accenture website where it says contact us. And if we have applied through a third-party platform such as LinkedIn, Indeed, we can withdraw directly on those platforms, or again we can contact Accenture directly through email or the recruitment team to withdraw our application. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.